So this is little Quinlynn. We're just going to show how to do a little baby adjustments. Yeah, because we're just
She's happy as can be.
We've taken care of Quinlynn since day 2 of her life, right?
Yeah.
So absolutely. So let's turn this way. Say, ooh, look at those feet go. And this way. Good. And this way. Where's that other one there? I know. So we're just wiggling it over. Easy peasy. I know. Isn't that fun? It's easy peasy. Okay, now we're going to check your little sacrum here, okay? Ready, go. Oh, we're going to do some tummy time. Ready? Oh my goodness. Here we go. You're going to be mobile now, aren't you?
You can be in a pit frame.
We're going to chance. Here we go. Just a little bit right there. Good. And we're just moving the left side joint there because she's a little stuck. But she's good to go from there. Let's check. I know you're just so mobile. You got Superman it just for a little bit more. That is it. Just 2 little adjustments today, and she's doing fantastic. So, and you can see she's just happy as a clam. So, perfect. Alrighty, you are set. Go there.
Thanks, Mama.
All done.